everybody, JoPaddy here, and tonight I'm just sitting in my room and I thought I'd do a quick little update for you guys. I've been getting some messages and you guys have been wondering what I've been doing or what I've been up to, and tonight I'm just kind of doing some deep thinking. I've got a lot on my mind, so I wanted you guys to see what I've been up to, and bear with me. So I'll see you guys again soon back in the studio, just not real soon. Arrivederci, everybody. This has 8 triangles in it. This is the roast beef and this is our ham. And I got some pickles, shredded cheese, and then our cream cheese. Now, what you do, these are the crescent roll thing. You unroll them all the way. And this is like a 5-minute meal. So you take your triangles out. And my friend, let me get, well, that's okay. This is all clean. Let me get a little cutting board out just to keep some stuff on the side. Okay, so now you're going to take one of these. There's 2 here. Okay. Because I ripped that one. So I feel like I'm trying to hurry now, and I don't want to hurry.
Don't hurry.
I know, this isn't good.
Hurrying?
Because I know now you just want to go lay down and everything, and maybe you don't want to do this. And
let's do it.
Okay. Alright, so you're going to take one of these and you're going to put, I'll do one and I'll show you, and then you do the other. So you put some cream cheese in here. I'll do this one too. Okay. Just load it up with cream cheese like that. And I'll let you do one or the other, and then we'll do the ham and cheese.
Okay.
These are 2 different kind of sandwiches. We got our ham and cheese. And then we got the roast beef and cheese with different kinds of cheeses, but the roast beef is with the cream cheese, and you're going to add the pickle. Okay, now you take a pickle and you put it on the fat side like that. Okay, got a little cheese in there. That's okay. Now this is for the roast beef. You take your roast beef and you set it right there like that. And then you roll it up. Take the fat end first, and this one's ripped, so it'll be harder, but you just roll it like this.
No, good. When are they ready?
In like 8 minutes, and then you set them on the tray. Okay, now you take the fat end, you roll it up, and you set it on the tray. Tuck that in there. Sometimes you get a end that doesn't want to cooperate. Just tuck them in like a diaper. Okay. All right, now you try. I don't even know if this is getting in the camera here. Probably not.
There you go. Now it is.
Okay, now you try. Okay, the cream cheese first. Look at you go, you're doing real good. Never hurts to have extra cheese, right?
Yeah.
I think I got a lot of cheese laying around over there in that plate. And whenever we don't get on the sandwich stuff, we just stuff in our mouths.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, there you go. Pico on the fat end. Yep. Now, since you're rolling
Why don't you? When do we put cheese in?
Since you're rolling it, it's best to go this way with it. This is the cheese for this kind of sandwich.
What is it?
That's going to go in the ham. Right now we're doing roast beef.
Yeah.
But, you know, you can make them any way you want to in the future. I'm just showing you how to do something. So, in the future, you can do it any way you want, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe you want cream cheese with your ham, but I found that cream cheese and pickles goes best with roast beef.
Really?
Yeah, it's a different kind of flavor. It's good, you know. You got to test your palate.
Yeah.
You can just throw it on here anywhere. There you go. A lot of times I like to have the point facing up, so that way the bottom gets nice and toasty.
Okay.
When you go to pick it up, it doesn't fall apart.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. There you go. All right, now I'm going to do 2 of the ham, and you can do 2 of the ham. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Now, with this, we add this cheese. I'm going to load it up in there.
No cream cheese on this one?
Mm-mm. Unless you want, but I mean, I'm just showing you something,
right.
And we're testing something here. All right, now I'm going to get some ham. I got honey baked ham, or I like the Black Forest ham, but today we have the, where's my lid? Where's my lid? No, I don't know where that lid is. Anyway, it's just baked ham. Can't remember, but that's okay. All right, get the ham out here. Okay, and this is just ham and cheese. And you roll it up. And you just lay it on there. Roll it up. And lay it on there. Look at that. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's your ham and cheese. Okay. And I have more crescent rolls if you want to make this again later today or tomorrow or tonight when you get off work.
Yeah, right.
Just grab the crescent rolls and go to town. You don't need me. You set the oven at 350 and these bake for about 8 to 11 minutes. After 8 minutes, just check on it and see if it looks done. You don't want it to burn, you know. Every oven is different. Some ovens are on. Since I have a gas stove, and it heats up pretty evenly and pretty fast. Electric stoves are slower, and it's hard to get even heat, but it'll eventually get there.
Mm-hmm.
You can make that ham with mozzarella too, but this is just a mix of Monterey Jack and, let's see, what kind of cheese do I have in there? Let me see. Okay, this cheese is a mix of Monterey Jack, cheddar, quesadilla, and asadero cheese. So that's a mix of Monterey Jack, cheddar, quesadilla, and asadero cheese. And the other was just cream cheese. You could put other stuff in it if you want, you know, but I find sometimes it's simple like this is, you're going to throw that away, are you? Get that to the dog or something. Jeez. Eat it. Okay, now we pop this in the oven. for 8 minutes or so, and let's see how it comes out. Alright everybody, here's the 8-minute timer getting ready to go off, and let's see. You could tell they're not quite done yet, so I'm going to reset for 3 minutes. Okay, we ended up putting it back in, and it took 15 minutes altogether. Now we're getting it out. Careful, dear. There we go. Set it on the edge over here, so it's close to your work surface. Yeah, there you go. All right. You don't have to let it rest like you do meat or pizza, because we're not cutting into it. We're not waiting for the meat to get where it needs to be. This is just sandwiches. You don't have to do that with sandwiches or something you're not going to cut open. There you go. And look at that. My son just made himself some hot lunch. And when you're done, we can wrap some up in foil and you can take it to work.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Trying to put them all on here.
Yeah, throw it on the edge. Who cares? It don't have to be pretty. It eats the same. All right, there you go, everybody. Croissant sandwiches.